Stop scrolling. You just saw nothing. Literally. That empty space you're looking at. It's carrying a rifle. It's walking. And it's already inside the building. China isn't building invisible soldiers anymore. That's old news. They're making robot dogs invisible. And here's what the Pentagon doesn't want you to know. Western spies only found out about this 3 months ago. So what exactly did intelligence agencies uncover? China has developed a camouflage suit not for humans, but for quadruped robots. This isn't paint or a simple net. It's a material that absorbs both light and thermal radiation. Infrared cameras? Dead. Night vision? Dead. Your own eyes? Completely useless. These robot dogs are already being used by the Chinese military for patrolling, reconnaissance, and even demining. But now, they're adding stealth to the list. And here's the open loop I'm leaving right now. If a robot dog is invisible, how do you know one isn't already watching you from across the street? Meanwhile, on the other side of the world, the U.S. Army is testing their own beasts. Operation Hard Kill at Fort Drum. The Ghost Robotics Vision 60 models carry AR-15 rifles and are designed to take down drones and ground threats. But here's the difference. American robot dogs are remote controlled. A soldier hides behind a wall while the dog takes the risk. Smart, right? But China's invisible dogs don't need a pilot. And that changes everything. The US is integrating robot dogs into reconnaissance and perimeter defense. They're good, but they're not invisible. China and Cambodia just finished joint exercises with 2,000 troops, 14 warships, 2 helicopters, and 69 armored vehicles. And leading the charge? Robot dogs mounted with automatic rifles moving through urban combat scenarios. The model they used is the Unitree Go 1, which costs between $1,800 and $3,000 commercially. That's cheaper than an iPhone in some cases. You thought invisible dogs were scary? Watch this. Chinese company Kestrel Defense just tested something called Bloodwing. A robot dog dropped from a drone onto a rooftop behind enemy lines. The drone carries the dog. The dog carries the gun. The gun clears the roof. This isn't science fiction. This is the new three-dimensional assault. One platform in the air, one on the ground. The COD, no humans in the kill zone. And here's the detail every other channel misses. Bloodwing looks exactly like Boston Dynamics Spot, but Spot is not weaponized. Bloodwing is... So the question isn't who has robot dogs. The question is who has the guts to weaponize them first. Now let's go to Russia. Kalashnikov, the same company that made the AK-47, just showed robot dogs dancing. Synchronized and camouflage. It sounds ridiculous. A dog that dances? But here's what they're not telling you. When robots can move in perfect coordination, they can also attack in perfect coordination. One dog doesn't scare you. 20 dogs performing the same routine. That's not a show. That's rehearsal. The Army 2024 forum also showed robotic demoners, rescue stretchers, and dual-use technology. Civilian on the outside, military on the inside. But the dance? That was the warning. Just when you thought you'd seen everything, China drops a curveball. A police robot in the shape of a sphere. 35 kilometers per hour. Smooth asphalt? Fine. Rough terrain? Fine. Swimming? Also fine. It's impact, resistant, fall-proof, and completely autonomous. Imagine you're running from the police. You jump a fence. You're stressed, or they see you, think you're safe. Then a ball rolls up behind you at 35 kilometers per hour, and it doesn't get tired. This isn't for the battlefield. This is for your neighborhood. And here's the open loop I promised earlier. If they can put AI in a sphere to chase criminals, what's stopping them from putting that same AI inside an invisible robot dog? So here's my question to you. If a robot dog can be invisible, weaponized, and dropped from a drone, should there be any human in a future war zone? Or are we building a world where soldiers become obsolete? Comment below, and don't give me the safe answer. I'm your host from iGrid Lab. The future isn't coming. It's already invisible. See you next time.